कश्यप मानते हैं कि भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहां बहुत ज्यादा अनस्टेबिलिटी और डाइवर्सिटी है, लेकिन यही बात इस देश को खास बनाती है।
You know, actually a friend of mine said that in India, the absolute poor, and there's a lot of them, what they want is they want escape. They are too saturated with reality. So what they want is escape. So Bollywood, gutka, bidi, that's their escape from reality. Daru. The elite, the globals, the people coming back to India, what they want is experience. So they come back actually for the experience. So I would be one of those people who actually want experience in India. And what is unique about India that I want to experience? It's the diversity. I think intellectuals worldwide agree, and what really keeps the globals going is the diversity of India. What we've proven in 61 years of independence. Now, still the religious right, the communist left, the Kashmir issue, the recent events in Bombay, they tell you that it's an unstable country. The political risk is high. But what we take pride in, I think worldwide as Indians, is we can sustain this diversity.
उनके अनुसार युवाओं को मुश्किलों की जड़ तक पहुंचना चाहिए और बदलाव लाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, जिसके लिए भारत और भारतीय समाज को समझना जरूरी है।
The youngsters of India, unfortunately, don't understand the problem. That's my view, and I have full faith that once they do, you would not need to convince them about the right solution, because they would come up with the right solutions and they would teach us actually what the right solutions are. So I think what the youngsters in India need to know is what the real India is. We talked about diversity in India, we talked about the multitudes, the million mutinies. Everything you say about India is true and false at the same time, and these are all not original thoughts, these are thoughts of Indian intellectuals who've written several books about this. So what the youngsters need to understand is what is this real India. The percentage of citizens who are under 25 in India is a fairly large number. So we're looking at the future generation, there's a lot of fuel right now. And to drive the car in the right direction, we need to understand what the right direction is.
आइए जाने कि निजी जिंदगी में कश्यप किस किस्म के इंसान हैं और उन्होंने अपने सपने किस तरह पूरे किए हैं।
जब क्लास 9th में था तो असिस्टेंट हेड बॉय बना था। इलेक्शन लड़ने में इसको कोई भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था। हम लोगों ने बहुत इसको बोला कि इलेक्शन तुम लड़ लो, दिस इज नॉट ए पॉलिटिकल इलेक्शन, दिस इज इलेक्शन ऑफ द स्कूल। तो इलेक्शन लड़ा और काफी वोट से जीता था। आई थिंक दैट इज अ रिकॉर्ड इन दैट स्कूल।
Kashyap had been a very focused person from his early childhood, so much so that if he's studying in a room and so many voices and so many disturbances are going on, he was able to keep himself aloof from everything and keep focused in doing his studies. He was not allowed to go for adventure sports or something. He would make his own way, not tell at home, and go for his adventure sports.
Kashyap and I met on campus, IIT Bombay, in a very campus love story kind of a way. It was pretty much like I was 2 years his junior, so and the year we entered, Kashyap was actually the overall coordinator of TechFest. What really impressed me about him was his simplicity, even though he was very smart, but a very simple guy at heart, and very good sense of humor, very down to earth, very cute.
Kashyap was one of the few who was selected. We chose 2 companies out of these multitude of applications, one of which was the righthalf.com, which was Kashyap's company. What impressed me most was that Kashyap was keen on continuing pursuing his academic programs as well as working hard for this thing. So very hardworking, very focused, a very pleasant person, a person clearly with the capability of taking the team along. He also had a knack of spotting the talent amongst his own colleagues, juniors and seniors.
He was kind of an icon on the campus because he'd started a company and almost everybody in the junior batches knew him. He definitely knows the direction. He best knows the direction in the room. he assigns the work, he leaves it there. I think he's very strong. He's very strong in his decisions, he's very strong in his focus, he's very energetic about his work.
भारत का भविष्य उसके ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में है। उन्हें समझना और उनकी मदद करने में सबसे बड़ी सफलता है। यही कश्यप का लक्ष्य है।
Swadesh to me is Mahatma Gandhi. Majority of India lives in rural areas, and Mahatma Gandhi taught us that unless we solve the sustenance and growth problem in rural India, our dream of Swadesh and Swaraj will not be fulfilled.
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफर में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा मनवाया और फिर ठानी अपनी कामयाबी अपने हमवतनों के साथ बांटने की। हमारे इस सफर में हम सफर बनिए और अपने सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए।